Well, hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I got silverware. I got a 20-piece set of silverware. I'm actually going to give this as a gift to my granddaughter, I think, because they just moved into their new house. Got 4 forks. Yeah, 4 forks. I'm making sure, because I can always off count. 4 knives. 4 tablespoons. And 4, I guess these are salad forks. Yeah, and then 4 teaspoons. So I'm going to just take one out, just so you can see what it looks like. Not a fancy one. Not a fancy one at all, but pretty. Well, I like the bottom of it too. See it? So that's nice. It's a nice set. And it is, I guess that's stainless steel on the back. I can't really see. Lighting's not good. It's misty out. Like it's raining, then it stops raining, or whatever. But anyway, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give it a thumbs up. And I will put everything in the comment section for you to buy it, or at least look at it. And I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.